This is our Chevalier 618M hand feed ball roller surface grinder. It's got a Analam DRO, one axis on the up and down. It's a ball roller machine, full cast base. Also has coolant. The base has got a couple puck marks from where paint had come off. It was in a gentleman's garage. Machine was barely used. The paint from the cold garage just puckered in a couple places, but other than that, the machine is really mint. Gonna run it now for you. It's a ball roller, nice and easy. Cross, very little backlash. Down feed, which is on the DRL. You can see the DRL. Got one shot lube. We've got an over-the-wheel dresser with the diamond. Gonna bring the grinder on now. Spindle very, very quiet. This is our 618 hand feed ball roller surface grinder. Thank you for watching.